Hi, I'm Lakshmi Krishna Gantala, a delinquent recovery revenue recovery agent using smart dashboards to help businesses recover money lost on failed payments. Many businesses run online payments loses revenue not because customers don't want to pay, but because a payment failed and nobody followed up the right way. The network breakdown, story card, insufficient funds, reset identity looks today. Either ignore or hit fee don't generate quickly, but revenue leakage that's completely avoidable. We built a revenue recovery agent, a system that looks at the every failed payment, figures out why it is failing, decides if it's worth recovering or how, and writes a personalized message to win that revenue back. Okay, what does it do? Here's our dashboard. Hmm. Here's our dashboard. Running on a synthetic dataset of 650 Indian payment transactions. It displays total transactions successful versus failure. And this is the key number, a potential recoverable revenue. And right now, we are looking at roughly some percent of failed revenue as recoverable, not by guessing, but why an explainable A pipeline underneath. You can see failure reasons breaking down card deadlines, insufficient funds, network, and priority distribution across high, medium, and low. The area pipeline, let's drill into one failure transaction. See here, the transparent rate and formula tracking in transaction, amount, and how recoverable this specific failure reasons, category is the customer segments and history, and how many retries have already happened. Nothing hidden. You can see exactly why this code is ended and got marked as high priority. Second, is learned in random forest model grounded on a historical recovery. Outcomes estimates the actual probability to a retry schedule to a 71%. Yes. Here we can see the ML recovery probability by liking it person. We can see the reason and why it happening for the customer. Shreya. In our third decision agent, a rule engine, not a black box, comments all of the and recommends ask customers to update payment methods with a one sentence explanation of why. Every recommendation is justified every time. There is a recommendation to retire payment or do not try immediately. Personalized recovery message screen here. Now the part that actually reaches the customer. Click a recovery message screen. Hi Shreya. This calls an LLM to write a short form, professional message personalized to this exactly what the customer amount on failure reason, not a copy paste template. And critically, if the API key isn't available or the call falls, the app automatically calls back to valid template engine. So the whole system keeps working. No single point of failure. So we can see a recovery message. If you use bank server issue. So now you can see a recovery center. In the A recovery center, we surface every high priority cases ranked by score and can batch generate recovery messages. Wait a minute, I'll specify once. So, see, high priority recovery messages for the top cases in one link. This is what an growth team would actually use day to day. In analytics, we show the ML model features, importance, and recovery rate, right? So this is just an UI. There is a real trainer model backing the numbers with the proper train of recognition, accuracy, precision with all loggers. To be clear, this runs on a fully systematic demo data, and it's not connected to Razor's live systems, but the architecture is built to plugins, swap the synthetic data for the real silent demos, webhook feed, and this quickly enhances priority and the probability is explainable decision personalized outing works exactly the same way. The main core idea is to stop treating every failed payment in the same way. Just store it, explain it, act on it, and recover the revenue that was never actually lost. Just the workflow of this process is see here we can. First, we can get the treat failed payment recovery as a pipeline, failed payment. Then it goes to analysis, AI analysis, flashback failure reason complete the required score. And then it goes to the recovery priority like high, medium, or low. order, like it goes to AML analysis. It means AI agent decision. Next recovery action and actionable. Who has seen this AI generate message? And then it goes to the recommended action. It means nothing personalized customer message. LLM generated with fallback. And then it goes to the personalized customer message. Nothing but a potential revenue return. Every step is transparent and actionable. There is no unexplained black box decision anywhere in this decline. Thank you for here we can see all the key sheets, we can all the architecture. You may go through this project with my GitHub link also. I will provide my GitHub link in the description. Go through it. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.